What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a complete script using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, whether you're making a YouTube video, a tutorial, or even a short story. First, open Claude and start a new chat. Then, type a clear topic for your script, like what the video is about, who it's for, and what style you want. For example, you can tell it you want a natural human tone, simple language, and the script that starts with an intro and ends with a call to action. Next, add the key points you want included. Mention the main steps, tips, tools, or examples you want Claude to cover. The more specific you are, the better the script turns out. If you already have notes or a rough outline, paste them in and ask Claude to turn them into a smooth script. After that, tell Claude the format you want. You can ask for a full script with an intro, body, and outro, and you can also request things like short sentences, clear transitions between sections, and a strong ending. Once Claude generates the script, read through it and tweak it. If something feels too long, tell Claude to shorten it. If it sounds too formal, ask it to make it more casual. If you want it to match your voice, you can say, make it sound like a real person explaining it to a friend. And finally, do one last pass to make sure everything is accurate and easy to follow, then copy the script into your Notes app or Google Docs and you're ready to record. And that's it. That's how to generate scripts using Claude 3.5 Sonnet quickly and easily. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.